Australia's location is important for the world's exports, and its international trade is also important. Since Australia has a large territory with vast uninhabited areas, all towns are scattered around. This leads to huge expenses for transportation when using trains and ferries. The government also has to pay large amounts for its telecommunications to build up the catching between these regions. The Australian people are mainly living in 5 cities: Melbourne, Sydney, Perth, and Brisbane, and Adelaide. The most special one is Perth, which is one of the most isolated cities in the world. However, this does not affect its status to be one of the largest cities in Australia. Most large companies, like the 2 leading companies, Telstra and Qantas, they are both based in Perth.
The lecture was about Australian location important for the export to the world. Furthermore, the speaker mentioned that it has the large territories on towns scattered. Moreover, the speaker explained that huge public transportation, train and ferry, government pay large amount. In addition, the speaker mentioned that Australian people live in the main cities such as Melbourne, Adelaide, Brisbane and Perth. Finally, the speaker concluded that most isolated city is Perth. 2 leading companies located is Telstra and based in Perth. Right. So for this one, you can be able to see that oral fluency is still perfect because I don't hesitate. Pronunciation is understand enough, which is, I would say, when you practice on IELTS, most of the time, if you get more than 70 in pronunciation, that means it's good. Okay. And again, sometimes it may impacted by your internet issue, like unstable internet, as well as the microphone as well. Right, and then content. So most of the word that I say, computer can be able to understand it, and whatever I say is related to the audio. So that's what gives you mark for your listening. Now let's check the audio again, the recording, I'm sorry. The lecture was about Australian location important for the export to the world. Furthermore, the speaker mentioned that it has the large territories on towns scattered. Moreover, the speaker explained that huge public transportation, train and ferry, government pay large amount. In addition, the speaker mentioned that Australian people live in the main cities such as Melbourne, Adelaide, Brisbane and Perth. Finally, the speaker concluded that most isolated city is Perth. 2 leading companies located is Telstra and based in Perth. Okay, all good. So that is the recording, and I finished before 40 seconds as well.